It's been just a few days since the new Uttarakhand Chief Minister has taken over the charge and he is already curting back-to-back controversies. After comparing PM Modi with Lord Ram and comment on ripped jeans, Tirath Singh Rawat has got the history wrong. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Tirath Singh Rawat said that the United States ruled India for 200 years. He said this while he was comparing the performance of India and other countries during COVID-19 pandemic. Uttarakhand Chief Minister said, as compared to other countries, India is managing COVID-19 crisis better. America, who ruled us for 200 years and ruled the world, is struggling during the pandemic. Over 3.75 lakh people have died in USA. In Italy, having best health facility in the world, they lost over 50 lakh people's lives and heading for another lockdown. Rawat further stated that Prime Minister Modi worked to save us and people also followed his instructions of wearing masks, sanitizing, washing hands and following social distancing. However, his remarks drew flack from the opposition. Just another BJP leader reminding us about the value of quality education, Congress party office tweeted. Former Uttarakhand Chief Minister and Congress leader Harish Rawat also tweeted about this and he questioned the knowledge of history of the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand.
The emerging backbone of India's economy are our startups. They represent India's youth, they represent India's aspirations, they represent India's hopes, they represent our fight against an insensitive bureaucracy, against an insensitive system. They represent the fight of our startup entrepreneurs against an indifferent system, against an insensitive banker, against challenges of dealing with the government, and against all the odds with which they started a startup. Every startup begins with a brilliant idea, a unique idea, an idea which nobody else thought of, and that becomes a business enterprise. We are starting our next episode series on what we call startup stories. It is our curiosity to know what was that idea, what was the motivation, what was the determination because of which one talented entrepreneur, without any background of business perhaps, decided to venture out on his own and create a successful enterprise. These are the ideas that motivate us also. If you have a startup story which is interesting, we would want to talk to you also. Come back to us with your own startup stories and you might also be the person we would like to talk to.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in. and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.